In the world of cryptocurrency, there are tactics that can shake the market to its core. One such tactic is known as a bear raid. This strategy is used by powerful players to manipulate prices, causing panic among smaller investors. Let's dive into what a bear raid really is and how it works. Imagine a bear charging through a market of deer. In crypto, a bear raid is a planned attack by big players to crash prices. They dump massive sell orders and spread panic to make small investors sell. Then they buy back cheap. It's a deliberate strategy by whales to profit from fear. Whales are the biggest players in crypto. They quietly buy coins, then suddenly sell large amounts to flood the market. At the same time, they spread fear with fake news or negative posts. This drives prices down. After the crash, they buy again at low prices, making massive profits. Bear raids cause chaos. Prices crash 10%, 20% or more in minutes. Traders using borrowed money get liquidated. Retail investors panic sell, thinking the market is collapsing. This creates a snowball effect and can wipe out confidence quickly. Look for sudden, sharp drops with high volume, but no real news. If prices fall fast and bounce quickly, that's suspicious. Watch forums and social media. If you see fear spreading and no logic behind the crash, it might be a bear raid. Set stop losses to limit risk. Diversify your portfolio so you're not overexposed. Use reputable exchanges. Most importantly, stay calm. If you believe in your investment, don't panic sell. Smart traders know that fear is often temporary. Now you understand how bear raids work and how whales use them. Stay alert, trade smart, and don't let fear control your moves. Like this video, subscribe for more beginner crypto tips.